Did about 2 hours of limbing, taking all the branches off a bunch of cedars that we took down. I didn't drop the trees with the Ego battery operated, but cut up the trees smaller and cut the limbs off with the Ego 16-inch, I believe it's the 1611 battery operated chainsaw, which is my first battery operated chainsaw, and very impressed with it. It was amazing. Powerful, and the battery held up great. This is the little Ego chainsaw. Battery is in the charger and did a great job for me. Battery has 5 green bars. I used up 3 out of the 5, and now it's back in the charger charging.